Okay, so what I have here in my Excel spreadsheet is I'm just going to use the function now to extract today's date, which is actually over here, right? 1st December uh, 2024. So that is the current date itself. So I will put a equal now function, and of course it will extract 2024 December 1st, and of course the time now is 6:51 p.m. So it will actually extract this, which is like 1851. But I don't want the whole thing. I only want the year. Right? So how do you get the year? Well, you use the year function. See that? You can actually extract the year. See? So year from this, and it will only extract the 24. Okay, so this is the year function itself. Right? Of course, there are others, or you can play around with it to extract any particular part, right, of the date time.